guided by a pure purpose to serve and bless people.
I know that you have been, especially by WCA, by the people around you. But instead of giving back to those who have done good to you, do good to others. Pay it forward. When you do that, you set the example, or you follow the example set by Christ, and definitely you'll be follow God's command of loving and serving Him to others.
We are just starting, but not anymore. We have actually started the journey towards success. Palakpakan mo sarili mo.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa ating CEO, Joven Diaz, CEO, Attorney Merlin Villahermosa. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, buti na lang po ginaid po kayo ng Panginoon na mag-lead po kayo ng WCA Travel. Wala pang 5 years, pero malayo na po ang narating ng WCA Travel. Okay? Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Just keep up the good work and keep aspiring for more. As they say, those who dream big achieve big.
More? We are moving out, to our new home. We are not renting an office. We own an office. Put up a business just to survive, hindi na po survival ang nangyari. We are not anymore on the stage of survival. WCA thrives. The business is expanding rapidly.
Your primary goal in talking to people is to help them achieve their dreams, and not mainly for the rewards you will get. You will achieve what you want here in WCA. Get moving, because whatever you sow, you will reap. Enjoy the rest of the night, everyone. God bless you.
I'm Christina Gome po, no? A permanent resident here in Shizuoka, Japan, doing WCA Travel part-time, and ako po ang naatasan na magpe-present sa inyo ngayon ng aming company and products. Welcome to WCA Travel and Earn Opportunity presentation. I'm proud to present to you our company, World Cruisers Adventure Travel and Tours Incorporated, or popularly known as WCA Travel. Who we are. WCA Travel, yan po, next slide, is a duly registered company established in the Philippines in 2015 and became a notable brand in the travel and tourism industry, with a rapidly growing number of independent affiliates across the globe, who are supported through our exclusive trainings and events, and rewarded for using and promoting the company's products and services. That is why dito kay WCA Travel, hindi lang po tayo nalilimit sa Pilipinas. We are now present in over 50 countries worldwide. Ayan, nakaka-excite. And just like other companies po, no, we also have our mission. Ayan, here in WCA Travel po, no, we will not give you the second best, but only the best travel options po. Kasi po, ang mission namin is to create an equal opportunity for driven individuals to take part in this exciting and lucrative industry by providing them world-class yet simple-to-use booking system. Ayan, either for personal travel needs or for the purpose of building a career in travel agency business. Ayan po. And our vision naman po, hindi po ba no, pagdating sa mga certain products, may mga brands na established na as leaders. Like, pagbibili tayo ng gamot or vitamins, yan po yung maiisip natin is Mercury Drugstore. And pag coffee naman po, Starbucks. Bukod po sa masarap, ang maganda po ang service nila. So, ang vision po ni WCA Travel is to be the preferred travel company not only for our credibility in offering remarkable products and services po, no, but also for our ability to make a difference and touch people's lives. Yan po. Sino nga po ba ang nasa likod ng company na to, ang success ng company? I am honored to present to you our CEO, Engineer Joven Diaz. He is a mechanical engineer by profession, and he graduated in Colegio de San Juan de Letran in Laguna. And COO, Attorney Marlene Villa Hermosa, she served in NAPOCOR for more than 20 years. And we also have our legal counsel, Attorney Peter Castillo. He graduated in Ateneo Law School with combined competence and years of experience in the areas of management, leadership, people empowerment, life's education, as well as ethical business. Our management team is truly a top of the class life changers and conduits of blessings. So daming nga po naglalabasan na online company, no? Ayan po, natatalo po sila sa leadership ng company. I'm very proud with our management team po, no? Dahil napaka hands-on po nila sa business na to. So, because they believe po, no, that leadership stability dictates the stability of the company. Ayan, next, you will see on our screen po, no, that we are registered and has business license and mayor's permit po. The BIR registration, the Security and Exchange Commission, or SEC. Ayan po. We are also a regular member of PTAA and the Tourism Promotions Board in the Philippines po. Accredited tourism enterprise of Department of Tourism po. And it's more fun in the Philippines. Ayan. And let me present to you these awards and recognitions. Nakikita nyo po sa baba. That makes WCA Travel top of the class. Yan po. Kahit bago pa lang si WCA, we were recognized as the best travel and tour service provider. It means po, no, talagang top of the class po ang company when it comes to travel and tours business. Ayan. And also, we are not renting an office. We, WCA Travel, own an office. Ayan po, makikita nyo po yan sa Parkway Corporate Center, Philinvest, Alabang, Muntinlupa. Ayan. Next po, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko po kay WCA is our social commitment. through WCA Travel Cares Foundation. WCA makes sure to give back. So yearly, every December, meron po kaming gift giving happening in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The company also adopted 4 schools in Mindanao po, no, under DepEd Adopt a School program, where WCA Travel sponsored a 1,000 plus scholars na. Because WCA Travel gives high value in sharing the blessings and giving hope to people, especially po, no, the children in need. In this po, we can say that WCA Travel is truly a company with a heart. Ayan po. Ano nga ba nagta-trouble sila? So ito po ay nakakatulong upang isalba po ang humihinang economy ng bansa. So bukod tulong po natin na pagpapatayo ng spots po, market po ay magiging kliyente po natin kahit ibang lahi po. Ayan. And then the internet po, no? Because we are in the digital age na po. So sabi nga po ni Bill Gates, if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. And last po, yung home-based business. So you'll get to own a world-class business using the power of these strengths po. WCA Travel revolutionized a game-changer business concept. Pwede po tayong magpagawa ng calling card at ilalagay natin yung website natin doon at sa social media po kung saan po natin pwedeng i-promote ang ating business. Ayan. Third po, no, excellent business opportunity to earn infinite income. Ayan po, mamaya po, no, isang credible speaker po ang magdi-discuss on how we can earn infinite income. Ang alam lang kasi po natin, no, infinite gastos. Pero good news po, no, tinapatan po ni WCA Travel ang infinite gastos ng infinite income. Fourth po, no, is support and world-class leadership trainings. Hindi mo po gagawin mag-isa ang business. Biro nyo po yun, no? Meron po tayong 24/7 support from WCA Travel Customer Service. And marami rin po tayong in-house training. Kapag nag-join po kayo kay WCA, ang tawag po sa atin ay affiliates. Ayan po, no? And yun po, yung support po ng WCA, kahit po zero knowledge po kayo sa business, ayan po, no, hindi po kayo matatakot gawin ito. Ayan po. Next po, sa ganda ng concept ng business, no, baka po napapatanong na kayo, how to start? Ayan po, no, hindi ko na po papatagalin to, no, at hindi ko na rin po kayo paihirapan. Kaya naman po, meron lang po tayong 2 products na pagpipilian. So, ano nga ba po ba ito? First po, ang economy class package or ECP po. Dito po, no, magkakaroon po tayo ng 1-year access to one-stop shop travel portal. Number 2, consume and sell products available in the system. Local and international booking of airline tickets, hotel, tour packages, visa assistance po, and travel insurance. Ayan, ang dami. Enjoy travel deals and most po. Ayan. Ano naman po ito, no? 9,800 pesos tourist business. Ayan po. Next po, kung ayaw nyo naman po ng may expiration or mag-renew pa, no, meron na po tayo yung best-selling package po natin. Ito nga po yung Business Class Package or BCP. Ayan po, halos pares lang po sila ng Economy Class Package pero naiiba lang ito dahil lifetime po ang access nyo to one-stop shop travel portal. Plus, participate po. Meron po kayong chance to participate to the rewards plan. Ayan po, no? Lifetime access to one-stop shop travel portal, consume and sell products available in the system, local and international, pareho lang po siya, no? Ang nadagdag lang po dyan is magkakaroon po kayo ng chance to participate po sa rewards plan. Abangan niyo po yan at nakaka-excite po, no, ang rewards na yan. Ayan po. Magkano naman po ang business class package or BCP? Ayan po, for only 19,600 pesos po. Ayan, imagine for only 19,600 pesos, meron ka ng lifetime business na world class na pwede mo pang ipamana po sa inyong anak or magiging anak po, no? Or kahit kanino po sa immediate family member niyo. Ayan po, alam ko po lahat tayo gusto ng lifetime business, pero paano kung ang budget nyo po is for ECP lang or yung 9,800 pesos? Pero gustong-gusto niyo na pong mag-start. Good news, you can start po, still start the business to ECP or yung pong 9,800 pesos, no? Dahil sobrang napaka-generous po ng company, yung ECP po natin can be upgraded po within 30 days po upon entry to business class package. And po, you will just add po another 9,800 pesos. Magiging parang 2 gives po siya nun, no? Yung BCP. But kung ayaw niyo po ng hassle, you can immediately start with our business class package. And po, I'm done na po, no, with my presentation. I hope na ipakilala ko po sa inyo ng maganda ang aming company and product. Again, this is Christine Yagome, a proud premier affiliate of WCA Travel. Thank you so much po. Back to you, Miss Host, beautiful host.
Ay,
Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much po sa ating napakagandang premier affiliate, Ma'am Christine, for a very well explained and concise presentation. Kahit bigyan naman natin si Ma'am Christine ng a round of virtual clap. Ayan. Ayan po so far po, dear guests. Nakilala nyo na ang aming company, ang aming management, and the services and our packages. Just to give you a recap po, we have 2 business packages, the ECP or the economy class package worth 9,800 pesos for a 1-year access to our one-stop shop travel portal, and the BCP or the business class package worth 19,600 pesos, which is for a lifetime access and will be qualified na po to our very exciting rewards plan. So it's up to you to decide on what to buy, okay? But before we proceed po to our next part, ayan, I would like to acknowledge all our guests tonight, ayan. Cheers. Doing WCA Travel part-time but passionately. Let me introduce our premier affiliate, Ma'am Jel Mendoza. The floor is yours, Ma'am Jel.
So ayan, good mornings po everyone, especially to our dearest guests. So ayan, thank you so much Ma'am Josie for that wonderful introduction. Ayan, pasensya na po kayo kung ako po ay naka-off cam ngayon. Medyo mahina lamang po yung aking internet. Ayan, first allow me to share my screen. Ayan. So ayan po, as you can see on my screen po, no, once you become an affiliate here in WCA Travel, magkakaroon po kayo ng username and password to access our travel portal. So ayan, once na na-login na po natin, ayan, ito po yung ating makikita sa ating travel portal. We have the My Account and we have the Affiliates Profile. So ayan, dito nyo po makikita ang inyong mga information as an affiliate. And then dito rin po natin ina-assist yung ating mga clients sa mga tour packages, sa mga travel insurance and visa assistance. So ayan, hindi na po natin kailangan pang lumipat-lipat pa ng website, no, para lang po mag-check po, no, or mag-quote po sa ating mga clients. So ayan, as you can see po yan, andito po si Holiday. So dito po, once may inquiry po tayo ng mga tour packages, i-click lamang po natin si Holidays. Ayan. And then, ayan, once we click the holidays is, makikita na po natin dito yung mga different tour packages po na available sa ating travel portal. So ayan, let's say for example, preferred ni client is the Cebu tour packages. Ayan, so ito po ay complete package na and i-offer na lamang po natin sa ating mga clients. So ayan po, no. For example, gusto ni client is the Cebu tour packages. Gusto niyang magpa-quote. So ayan. Then ayan, nakalagay na po dyan yung mga inclusions and exclusions po, ano. So ayan, i-click lamang po natin dito sa Inquire Now. And then maglalagay lang po tayo dito ng mga necessary informations ng ating mga clients para po mabigyan po tayo ng quotation. Ayan, sa preferred travel date po ng ating mga clients. So once okay na po yan, na-fill up na po lahat yan, i-click lamang po dito sa submit. Alright? So next naman po, our travel insurance. So ayan po no. So dito po sa ating business, kahit hindi po sa atin nagpabook ng flights yung ating mga kliyente, is pwede pa rin po natin silang i-assist pag nag-inquire sila sa atin ng travel insurance. So ayan po no. Ilalagay lamang po ulit natin dito sa inquiry form yung mga necessary information ng ating mga clients. So ayan po no, yung travel type yan, round trip or one way, and then ayan, details of our passengers po no. So once na na-fill up na natin yan, complete na, i-click lamang po dito sa submit. Alright, so that's for our travel insurance. And then next naman po is we have our visa assistance. So ayan, ito po yung ating visa application form no. So kung meron tayong mga inquiries ng mga tourist visa, dito rin po natin yan, ilangan lamang po kunin yung mga necessary informations po ulit ng ating mga pasahero. So ayan po no, dito po sa main country of destination, ayan, napakarami pong bansa na ating kinikater po sa tourist visa assistance. No, we have the Australia, Austria, Belgium, ayan. We also have Japan, ayan, napakarami pong pumupunta ngayon sa Japan, no? We also have South Korea, Spain, Switzerland, and also we have USA po for new application and also sa renewal. Ayan po, no? Grabe po, no? Nasa iisang travel portal lamang po yan, we can assist our clients po, no? So ayan, so speaking nga po sa kung paano nga po ba kumikita sa pagbubuk ng flights dito sa ating business. Ayan, so ikiklik lamang po natin dito sa business agent. Ayan. And then, ma-redirect po tayo sa ating wherein kung saan po tayo nagbubuk ng flights. Alright, so pasensya na po, medyo mahina lamang po yung aking internet kasi we are live. Ayan. So ayan po, no, as you can see po sa aking screen, ito po yung ating business agent portal wherein dito po tayo nagbubook ng flights ng ating mga clients. So, ayan, first we have, so ayan po no, yan, isiset lamang po natin yung ating service fee, then click lamang po natin dito sa add service fee. So ayan, for example po no, ayan, dito po sa fee fixed number, ilagay lamang po natin yung ating gustong kita dito sa pagbubuk ng flights no. So we can set this po from 0 up to 17,000 pesos. So ayan po no. For example, lagay lang natin is 5,000 pesos per way per passenger. So once na nalagay na po natin yan, click lamang po natin dito sa save. Alright? So ayan, once na naset na po natin ito, ayan, pwede na po tayong mag-search po ng flight. So balik lamang po tayo dito sa flight tickets and then click flight search. So ayan, as you can see din po sa screen dito, ayan, I have my account Delica JM. Ito po yung aking username. Dahil dito po sa business, wala pong sharing dito. May kanya-kanya po tayong travel portal dito. And then dito naman po is we have different currencies available. Dahil world class nga po yung business, so we can quote po our clients under currencies. Ayan. So yan, for example, preferred ni client is Manila to Narita. So ang dami talagang nagta-travel ngayon, gusto nilang pumunta ng Japan ano. Yan, kung hindi naman po natin alam kung ano yung airport na pupuntahan natin, we can search naman po sa Google. Alright? So ayan, click lamang po natin ito, Tokyo Narita. And then for example, preferred ng ating client is on let's say June. Yan, June 15. Ayan, and then kung gusto ni client is one way, click lamang po natin dito sa return at ticket without a return ticket, and then if round trip naman po is pili lang po tayo dito ng preferred po ni client na return flight. Ayan. So since gusto ni client is one way lamang po, no, click lamang po natin dito sa without a return ticket. And then dito naman po is we can book up to 9 passengers po dito sa ating travel portal, no. So we have here different passenger types po, no. We have the adults, children, infant, and also we can add kung disabled or senior citizen po yung ating pasahero. So yan, for example po, no, dalawa po yung ating pasahero. From Manila to Narita, flight on June 15, 2 passengers po, no. So once na na-fill up na po natin yan, click lamang po natin dito sa search. Alright, so ayan po, no. As you can see po sa aking screen, ayan, we have 63 options po na available dyan sa preferred na travel ni client. So ayan. So we have here the Air Asia, Cebu Pac, the Zip Air, also we have Korean Air. So naka-arrange na po itong ating flight from cheapest up to yung pinakamahal. And then pinakamabilis, ayan, nakalagay lang po dito. So kung preferred po ni client also, yan, pwede rin po nating i-filter dito kung direct flight, kung yan, may mga stopover and also with baggage. So for example, vegetarian po yung ating client, no? So okay na sa kanya tong 24,521 pesos. So for 2 packs na po ito, no? And also yan, for example, gusto din ni client ng may baggage yan, pwede po natin dyan i-filter. And then kung ano yung preferred na airline ni client, pwede po nating piliin dyan, ipakita sa mga clients natin. And then also yung class. So for example, gusto ni client is medyo yan, premium, business class, yan, premium economy. So meron din po tayo yan. We can filter that po. So yan, for example yan, napili na po ni client is etong Air Asia. So i-click lamang po natin sa more details. Ayan. Yes. So at pwede rin po natin itong isend sa kanya via email, no? So kung prepared ng client natin na ma-receive yung quotation natin via email, pwede po kasi i-click lamang po natin dito and then ilalagay lang po natin yung email ng ating pasahero. So ayan po, no, yan. Dito rin po nakalagay na po yung flight, yung oras po ng flight. So yan, once okay na to kay client, click lamang po natin dito sa select. Ayan. And then mare-redirect po tayo kung saan po maglalagay na po tayo, mag-fill up na po tayo ng information po ng ating pasahero. So don't forget po na kunin yung picture po ng ID ng ating pasahero for us to check kung tama po ba yung spelling ng chinat sa atin ng ating mga pasahero, no? So yan, dito po sa affiliates information, tayo po ito. Tayong mga affiliates kasi once na may mga changes po sa flight, mga updates, sa atin po unang kokontak ang airline, sa atin po unang mag-email or tatawag. The next naman po natin dito yung gender, kung male or female, the last name, the first name, the birth date, and email ng ating pasahero. Then next naman po is the nationality. So dahil nga po world class po yung ating business, no, we can book different nationalities po dito sa ating travel portal. Ayan, complete po yan from A to Z. Ayan. The next naman po is the passport number and also yung expiry date. So ayan. So dito po sa kanan, your flight, mache-check pa rin po natin kung tama po ba yung flight na pinili natin na gusto ni client, no? So ayan po, no? So dito po yan, we have the more details, yung baggage information, and then yan, si adult number 2, dahil 2 packs nga po sila, so ilagay lamang din po natin dito yung mga necessary information ng ating pasahero. And then once done po, ay kung gusto po nating mag-add ng bagahe, so nandito na po yung rate or yung presyo po ng ating preferred na bagahe kung ilang kilo po, no? So for 20 kilos, ayan, 25 and 30. So pwede po natin yung i-screenshot, i-send po sa ating mga pasahero. Alright? So once done, okay na. Yan, i-click lamang po natin dito sa I accept privacy policy and fair rules. So ayan po, no? So as you can see po dito sa baba, ito po, 14,552. Dahil ito nga lamang po yung original price po ng ating flight. So hindi po nakikita ng ating mga pasahero yung ating service fee na nilagay. Ito lamang po yung price po ng ticket for 2 packs. And then the service fee po na nilagay, ito po siya. Nag times 2 na po yung ating service fee, no? So ayan po, ito po yung inyong kita sa pagbubuk ng flights, no? So ayan, once done, mare-redirect po tayo sa mga different payment options. And then question, Miss Jel, paano nga ba natin babayaran yung flight na ating ibubook? So dito po sa taas, dito sa balance general, kailangan po natin ditong mag-top up. So ayan, makikita nyo po, ayan, meron po akong 161 pesos dito. So dito lamang po ako naglalagay ng ating pambayad sa pagbubuk ng flight. So i-click lamang po natin dito sa top up. Ayan. And then yan. Lagyan lamang po natin dito kung magkano. So magkano. So, click lamang natin dito yung top up. And then ayan, napaka-convenient dito po sa ating travel portal. So ayan po no. Click lamang po natin yung pay and then mare-redirect na po tayo sa mga different payment options available po dito. So we have the online banking or yung ating mga e-wallet. So usually ginagamit po natin dito is the GCash Bills Pay. And also BPI Online. Po no, may nakalagay po dito na email kasi dito po isi-send yung instruction po kung paano po natin matatap up po sa ating travel portal para mabayaran po yung ating ibubuk na flight no. So don't worry po no kasi meron po diyan ang instruction, hindi po kayo maliligaw diyan and sure po na yan ay matatap up po sa inyong travel portal. So ayan, pasensya na po kung masyado po kayong nabilisan sa pagpapasilip ko po sa inyo ng aming ipinagmamalaki and world-class na travel portal. Don't worry kasi marami po tayong trainings dito kay WCH Travel na libre and online lamang po. Again, maraming salamat po. That's all for my portal glimpse. Thank you so much po.
Virtual clap. Okay. Ayan po, no? Pasilip pa lang po yan, mga dear guests. Once na naging affiliate na kayo, you'll undergo system training po and booking tutorials para po mas matutunan at makasanayan nyo yung portal natin. Sana po ay mas naging excited na kayo no, na mag-start na rin sa business na ito. Dahil napaka-user-friendly po ng aming portal and we have a lot of reliable and credible admin staffs who works double time. Ayan. Just to cater to our needs and queries. Okay. So, sa ngayon po, no, acknowledge ko lang po yung other guests natin, no? Si Ma'am Heidi, Ma'am Vicky, and the owner of Xiaomi, okay? Just sit back po and relax while listening our presentation. All right? So this time naman po, for sure, may tanong kayo. Meron ba talagang kumikita sa bookings alone? This time po, we invited one of our affiliates who will testify and share her success and earnings from booking alone. So, let me introduce her. Okay, she's graduate of BS Mathematics for Teachers at Philippine Normal University, currently working as a finance associate, part of the 2023 Top 100 Booking Sales and Top 100 Booking Orders. A proud mom, doing WSA travel part-time but full-heartedly. Let me introduce our beautiful premier affiliate, Miss Alison Kasikin. Go ahead, Miss Alison.
Ayan, thank you so much, Tita Josino, for that very wonderful introduction. And good more earnings, everyone, most especially to our dear guests. So I'm Alison Kasikin nga po, a former mathematics teacher, currently working as a finance associate in a renewable energy company. I'm a proud mom of two and doing WCA travel part-time but passionately. So ako nga po, ang mag-share sa inyo ng aking sweet journey here in WCA Travel. So nakilala ko po si WCA Travel way back 2021 to a college acquaintance, si Miss Annabel Lucky. So naging lucky nga ako dahil naipakilala niya ang napakagandang business opportunity na to with WCA Travel. And sabi ko talaga, gusto ko po talagang i-grab tong opportunity na to kasi talagang promising po yung ating business. Ayan. And of course, no, nung nalaman niya po na WCA Travel Affiliate po ako, pinagkatiwala niya po sa akin yung bookings na yon. And it is more than 100,000 pesos po. And talaga naman sabi ko, wow, kapag pala WCA affiliate ka at kilalanan nila talaga si WCA Travel, talagang magtitiwala yung mga clients mo. Kaya naman po, ayan, tinuloy-tuloy ko po yung business and ako po ay kumita ng 24,000 in just one booking transaction during that time and talaga nabawi ko yung pinuhunan ko. Kaya sabi ko, nako, tutuloy-tuloy ko itong business na to. And in 2 years nga po of doing the business, 2 consecutive years ko na din pong na-achieve na pumasok po sa top 100 booking sales ni WCA Travel. Kaya naman po, I'm very grateful po and talagang shinare ko na din po yung business na ito to other people para naman po sila din po ay magkaroon ng ganitong napakagandang opportunity. Kaya naman dear guest, no, kung kayo po ay naimbitahan sa napakagandang business opportunity presentation na ito, all you have to do is grab the opportunity and maniwala po kayo na kaya nyo din pong kumita and mabago yung buhay nyo through this business. So yun lamang po. Again, I'm Alison Kasikin, a very proud premier affiliate of WCA Travel. Back to you, Tita Josie.
Ayan, thank you so much, Miss Allison, no, for sharing your success in doing WCA Travel. Ayan, bigyan naman natin si Miss Allison ng a round of virtual heart. Ayan. Imagine po na nakikita niyo may chikiting siya sa likuran niya. Meron siyang full-time work. Imagine may other business pa siya. Pero grinab niya po yung opportunity ng WCA kasi nakitaan niya po ng potential income. Imagine in just month of doing the business, agad nabawi ang kanyang pinangpuhunan at tumubo agad through earnings niya lang sa bookings. Ayan, tuloy-tuloy ang malaking kita sa bookings, malaking tulong po sa family niya at may lifetime business pa. Again, thank you so much, Miss Allison. All right. So to help you decide and to know more about how we work out the business, ayan, and how to get that infinite income, we will go to the second part of the presentation, which is the rewards plan. And this will be presented by one of our beautiful premier affiliates. So let me introduce her. She's working in a Japanese automotive firm for 35 years, have tried online selling business, a rising leader, doing WCA Travel part-time but full-heartedly. Let me introduce our premier affiliate, Ma'am Cecil Piamonte. The floor is yours, Ma'am.
Okay. So good mornings, everyone, especially to our dearest guests, and thank you so much for that wonderful introduction, Tita Jo. So tama po ang ating maganda at magaling na host. I have a stable job that I have been working for a long time, di po ba? Yet still doing WCA Travel part-time but passionately. Why? Kasi kanina pa natin narinig yung more earnings at infinite income, di po ba? Kaya naman, I am so excited to discuss and share with you our optional rewards plan. Optional meaning, pwedeng gawin, pero pwedeng hindi. Pero kami pong mga athletes dito kay WCA ay very excited na ginagawa ito dahil WCA Travels seriously rewards those who will choose to seriously build and share this life-changing opportunity. So meaning, kailangan po natin gawin ng seryoso ang business na to through our bookings, buildings, and sharing this life-changing opportunity. Yan po yung mga requirements na kailangan natin satisfy para makuha yung mga potential income dito kay WCA Travel. Kaya let's start na po. Okay? Okay. So next slide po. So once you become an affiliate, so as stated, affiliates work to earn in a number of ways. So pansinin niyo po yung salitang work, naka-bold, all caps at naka-highlight ng kulay red dahil ine-emphasize natin ang business na to ay may work na gagawin. Don't you worry, dear guests, dahil smart and simple work lang naman ang ating gagawin dito. And diniscuss ko nila sa first part ni Ms. Christine, yung two packages na ino-offer ni WCA, yung ECP po at saka yung BCP. Okay? Kung ECP or yung 1-year access ang i-avail ninyo, you will enjoy the number one only, which is the retail income. Pero kapag BCP or yung lifetime ang i-avail ninyo, you can enjoy these 8 ways of earnings from the retail income, referral bonus, business builder bonus, cycle bonus, residual income, ambassador leadership bonus, royal ambassador bonus, and the leadership and lifestyle incentives. So, Paano nga ba ang 8 ways na yan? Okay? So let's start po sa number 1, yung retail income, also known as booking income. So earn additional income through selling the products available in our travel portal. So yun po yung ipinakita kanina ni Ms. Jel. Ano nga ba yung mga products and services sa WCA? So meron tayong flights, hotel accommodations, tour packages or holidays, visa assistance at travel insurance. So kikita tayo dito sa pamamagitan ng paglalagay ng service fee o tubo. So we have sample computation po. Assuming you have booked 20 person, kunyari sabi ni Ms. Jill kanina, maraming napunta sa Japan. So 20 persons po going to Japan. So with 300 pesos service fee per person, and this will mean 6,000 pesos total service fee para sa airline tickets nila. Okay? At syempre, hindi naman pwede yung kung saan-saan na lang sila matutulog, di ba? Kaya they also book for a hotel accommodation. So standard per, naglagay ka ng 500 pesos service fee per room. So multiply to 10 is equals to 5,000 pesos for this transaction naman. And syempre, more of the travelers na gusto nila ay yung hassle-free. Yung may pupuntahan nila or kaya kung nila ng tour package, so with 500 pesos service fee per person naman. So you will have another extra income na 10,000 pesos, di po ba? Okay, let's do the math sa transactions na ginawa mo. So 6,000 plus 5,000 plus 10,000 is equals to 21,000. Oh, di ba? More earnings talaga that you in just 10 minutes. So magkano po yung inilabas yung pera for this business? Yung 9,800 for the ECP or yung 19,600 for BCP na lifetime. So nabawi nyo ba? Yes, at may sukli pa, ba? So take note po that the figures indicated above are for discussion purposes only. So this may still vary, meaning ang service fee po ay pwede mong taasan or babaan, depende po sa inyo. Okay? So again po, next one po, yung pong next one natin, yung po yung mga mag-a-avail lang ng BCP ang ma-qualify to claim this referral bonus at ng mga susunod ko pang i-discuss. Okay? So ang business sa WCA Travel ay simpleng kwentuhan lang. Okay? This is through sharing po ng ating business. Sabi nga po diyan, earn a referral bonus of 2,500 for every client buying the economy class package. So may 10 friends ka na nakwentuhan at nabentahan ng ECP. So times 2,500 po is 25,000 pesos additional income. O di ba, grabe extra income yan. And this is aside from your booking income. Okay. So paano naman kung yung taong napagkwentuhan mo ay BCP naman ang binili o yung lifetime natin? So qualified ka dito sa Business Builder Bonus at bibigyan ka naman po ni WCA ng 5% for every business package sold to a new directly sponsored affiliate. So magkano po yan less na tax? So that's 875 pesos. So 10 po yung bumili or nabenta mo, so it is 8,750 pesos additional income. Di po ba? Pero alam ko, napapaisip ko yun. Bakit sa 1-year access ay 2,500 ang kinita nyo, pero dito sa lifetime access ay 875 pesos lang. So, ganito po yun. Kasi dun sa 1-year access, kapag di na sila nag-renew after a year ng economy class package nila, yung 2,500 pesos na bonus ninyo will be your first and last income with them. However, sa lifetime access or yung ating business class package, they will be your lifetime business partner at mas marami pa kayong magiging kita or earnings together. Kaya yung 875 pesos ay patikim pa lang. Okay? Pag-usapan naman natin kung ano ba yung mga pagsasamahan ninyo as business partner. Okay? Let's go to the exciting and unique part of the presentations. Okay, next one po tayo. So, cycle bonus po. So, bigyan ko lang po ulit ng emphasis ha. This bonus is optional. Pwedeng gawin, pwedeng hindi. And this is just for those who will be seriously doing the booking, building, and sharing the business. Ang i-explain ko lang po ngayon ay yung basic qualifications. If you will be interested to know more about this, ay meron po kaming separate training tungkol dito once you become an affiliate. Okay, assume po affiliate, enter and work out the following 2 boards to level up and cycle out to earn rewards. Okay, meron po tayong dalawang boards. The first one is the Premier Board. If you avail the BCP, you will automatically enter the Premier Board. So kapag nasatisfy mo yung basic requirements, you will level up, cycle up, and earn the potential bonus up to 30,000 pesos. Aside po yan sa booking income natin kaninang diniscuss ko. Now, after mong kumita ng 30,000 pesos sa Premier Board, automatic ka nang papasok sa next board, which is the Executive Board. Katulad din sa Premier Board, kapag nasatisfy mo ang basic requirements, you will level up, cycle out, and earn the potential bonus up to 450,000 pesos. So, kita nyo po yung 450,000 pesos sa screen, paulit-ulit na lumabas, di ba? Dahil pwede mong kitain yan ng paulit-ulit hanggang gusto mo pong kitain at trabahuhin. Kaya naman tinatawag din namin po itong exciting board, di ba? More earnings talaga. Wow. Pwede talagang tupatin yung mga pangarap natin. Later, you will hear some of those athletes na ginawa na pong habit ang pag-claim ng bonus na yan. For now, discuss ko po sa inyo paano natin kitain ang mga yan. Okay. So next, so ito po yung structure ng Premier Board. Kulay orange at para lang itong organizational chart. Diba? Ito ay system-generated records of affiliates para madaling makita kung sino ang nagbubook, nagbibuild at nag-share ng business opportunity na ito. So meron 15 slots sa board na may level 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yung naunang 7 slot ay occupied na dahil sila yung mga nauna nang bumili ng BCP prior to you. At yung 8 bakante sa ibaba ay dito papasok ang mga bagong bumili ng BCP. Sabi nga diyan, all new affiliate will start at level 1. So ang makakasama niyo po sa board ay pwedeng kakilala niyo or hindi. Pwedeng nasa Pilipinas or nasa ibang bansa dahil nga po ang business na to ay worldwide. So ang initial goal po natin ay ma-qualify ng mabilis at maunang mayakyat na system. Kailangan po na makapag-sponsor or makabenta ka ng 2 BCPs pero hindi po tayo limited sa dalawa lang dahil the more, the better, and later explain ko po bakit. Okay, so para mas maging malinaw, gawin natin na ikaw si you. So at ang nag-invite sa iyo ay si Luke. Since bago kang affiliate, automatic na sa level 1 ang pwesto mo and you will notice that under Luke's name, andoon yung you dahil siya nga yung nag-sponsor sa iyo. So hindi ka po makakapasok sa board na to kung walang nag-sponsor. Okay? Yun po ay yung mga taong nag-invite sa inyo tonight. Okay, let's continue. Yung kaibigan mo si Samuel ay na-excite sa business at bumili ng BCP, kaya pasok din siya sa board, nasa same level, but his name is under you dahil ikaw ang nag-sponsor sa kanya. Okay, si Nomi, ni-sponsor ni Abigail, and then si Ruth, na kaibigan mo, BCP din yung binili niya. At syempre, she's under you. So may dalawa ng pangalan under you. Na-satisfy mo na ang isa sa qualifications na hinihingi ni WCA. Ang tanong, kikita ka na ba ng 30,000 pesos? Hindi pa. Pero qualified ka na mag-level up. At kailangan pa nating mapuno yung board. Okay, so punuin na po natin yung board. Si David, ni-sponsoran ni Moses, si Mary, ni Joshua, si John, ni Adam, at si Paul, ni John. Ayan. So napuno na po yung board. Ang tanong ko ngayon, ikaw lang ba yung nagpuno ng board? Hindi, di ba? Dahil lahat kayo na nasa board ay iisa ang goal. Kaya sa bawat galaw ng board ay makikinabang ang bawat isa. Ang tawag po dyan ay game of speed and teamwork. Okay. So ngayon po, napuno yung board. Ano po yung mangyayari kay Job na nasa top of the board? Job will now cycle out and will earn up to 30,000 pesos. And he will now enter the executive board. So yun po yung next board natin. Pero mamaya natin pag-uusapan yung executive board. Focus muna tayo sa 14 na naiwan since nandyan ka. Okay. To have an equal and fair chance to level up and cycle out and eventually earn the bonus, the system will create 2 new empty boards and the system will read and select from left to right and then top to bottom. Kung sino po yung may unang 2 business class packages na naibenta by date po ha, ay siyang unang iaakyat ng system. Hindi po ito yung una-una business na kung sino po yung naunang sumali, ay siya po yung kikita lamang. Okay? Kung sino, dito po, kung sino yung ma-qualified by date, ay siya ang mauunang ikyat. Okay, here we go. Hit po natin si Luke, si Abigail, then you, and si Moises. Kung mapapansin nyo, mula sa level 1, ay umakyat na agad si you sa level 2 dahil nga nauna kang na-qualified by date kay Moises. Diba? Ang tawag dyan ay jump over. Okay. Pag naman po naiakyat na ang may tigda dalawa, The next na iaakyat ng system ay ang may tig-iisa naman na nabenta like si Anna, Joshua, Adam, and John. So mapapansin nyo that John was second to the last. Pero nauna siyang iniakyat ng system dahil may naibenta siyang isang BCP. Okay, so malinaw po. At yung walang naibenta ay iaakyat pa din naman ng system pero manghuli nga lang. Bakit nga ba wala silang naibenta? Kasi maybe gusto lang nilang mag-focus sa bookings for personal or family use. Hindi naman sila tatanggalin ng system, andyan pa din sila at iaakyat sa level 2 para in case na maisipan nilang i-promote ang business at trabahuin ang board, they can also avail the bonus or the incentive, the 30,000 incentive. So, ganun din lang yung gagawin on those two new boards. Pagtutulungan nyo ng mga kasama nyo sa board na mapuno ito, or pwedeng kayo din lang ang magpuno, or yung sinasabi nga namin na dominate the board. Pag napuno ang board, at nag-cycle out ang nasa top of the board, then mag-split fully yung board until such time, kayo na yung nasa top of the board, and then same procedure, same cycle hanggang you cycle out and earn the 30,000 pesos bonus at pumasok sa executive board. Okay, ano nga ba ang executive board naman? Okay, so ito naman po yung ating executive board. Pareho lang sila ng structure ng premier board. Okay? Ang ipinagkaiba lang ay ang kulay, kitaan at requirements. So pupunuin naman ito ng mga affiliates na kumita na ng 30,000 from the premier board, kagaya ng 7 na nasa board. Sila yung mga nauna na nag-cycle out from premier board. So ano naman yung gagawin natin dito? Di ba kanina sa premier board kailangan makabenta ng 2 BCPs. Okay. Dito naman ay kailangang matulungan at makasama mo yung 2 tao na nabentahan mo ng BCP. So as indicated on the slide, affiliates cycling out of the premier boards automatically follow their respective sponsors in the executive board. So para di po mawala yung mga bagong nag-cycle out, ay susundan nila yung kanilang mga sponsors. So we call this follow the leader system. And just like you, ay papasok sa level 1 ng board kung nasaan si Luke. So makikita mo, yung pangalan mo under Luke pa rin na nasa level 3 dahil si Luke nga ang iyong sponsor. Okay. Lahat po uli kayong nasa board ay magtutulungan na mapuno yung board. Let's proceed po, punuin natin. At kapag po napuno yung board at nasatisfy yung basic requirement, the person on top will cycle out. Okay. So yan po, napuno. So Esther, na nasa top, will now cycle out and earn her first and sweetest 450,000 pesos. So, dear guests, gaano na po kalayo ang narating ng 19,600 nyo? Bawi na! Nagkaroon pa ng pambili ng mga pangarap, di ba? Again, kung paano po nag-split sa premier board, ganoon din po sa executive board. So, magkakaroon din ng 2 new empty boards, and then from left to right, top to bottom, uunahin din ng system yung una na may 2 natulungang kumita ng 30,000 pesos. Next ay yung mga may natulungang isa, and then yung wala pa. So, ganyan po kinikita yung 450,000 pesos. After mag-cycle out sa executive board, saan po mapupunta si Esther? Si Esther, tagbapang nag-cycle out at kumita ng 450,000, ay di na babalik sa premier board. Instead, ay sa level 1 lang po ulit ng executive board at hahanap uli siya ng 2 matutulungan na mag-earn ng 30,000 para ma-qualify uli and earn another 450,000 once na nag-cycle out ulit siya. Kaya sabi ko nga po kanina, ang pagkakaroon ng more than 2 BCP sales is better, di ba? Dahil ang pag-earn ng up to 450,000 pesos ay paulit-ulit talaga hanggang tinatrabaho mo. And take note po ha, hindi ka na uli maglalabas ng another 19,600 pesos. Okay? So, dyan ka na lang po magpapaikot-ikot sa ating executive board. Okay? And that explains the cycle bonus. And kung nabilisan nga po kayo, don't you worry dahil we have detailed cycle bonus training and meron po tayo mamayang Q&A. Okay. So, next one po. So, once you cycle out on the premier board, you are entitled also on the rewards number 5. So, yan po yung ating residual income. Okay. Sabi, from the moment you cycle out the premier board, you are now qualified to receive residual income based on your monthly group sales relative to your rank position. So, we have ranks din po dito kay WCA. Dito po magbabase kung magkano yung makukuha mo on a monthly basis and you will receive this every 15 of the month. So, once kumita ka ng 30,000 pesos, you will be promoted as premier athlete and you will have 3% sa group sale ng BCP or business class package ng iyong team. At kapag kumita ka na ng 450,000, ay magiging executive affiliate ka naman with 5%. Kapag natulungan mo naman ang dalawa mong affiliates na kumita ng 450,000, you will become gold affiliates at meron kang 6.5% sa Group C. And as you can see po dyan sa table, habang tumataas yung rank mo, ay tumataas din yung percentage sa residual income. As of today po, the highest rank achieved kay WCA is the Presidential Affiliate, which is umaabot lang naman ng 6 digits yung kanyang natatanggap na residual income monthly. O, di ba? Wow po ba talaga? Okay po. So next po tayo is the Ambassador Leadership Bonus. Okay, a high-ticket bonus awarded to ambassadors to equally match their continuous efforts and commitment as a representative prime movers of WCA travel globally. So as of this moment nga po, wala pa pong nakaka-achieve ng rank na yan. Presidential nga po yung ating highest. So baka isa sa mga affiliates na nandito or maaaring kayo na mga guests namin ngayon ang maging first WCA travel ambassador. Diba? Okay, so the next one po is the Royal Ambassador Pool. Achieving the highest rank will ensure royal ambassadors of a profit share in the company's global revenues. Profit share po in the company's global revenue. So meaning, pag naging royal ambassador kayo, sa benta o kita ng buong WCA, buong mundo na po yung pinag-uusapan dito ha, may kurot na kayo dyan. Kaya naman naka-hashtag go talaga ang reward na to para sa aming mga athletes natin. Po ba? For only 19,600 pesos, para ka na din isa sa mga may-ari ng WCA once you become Royal Ambassador. Okay, so the last one po, but not the least, is the Leadership and Lifestyle Incentive or LLI. So these are leadership and performance-based incentive given to chosen WCA travel leaders. So hindi po tinatanong kay WCA, ni WCA kung matagal ka na o bago ka pa lang sa business. Ang basis po dito is if you are doing the business professionally, ethically, and relentlessly, which is according to the culture of WCA Travel. So sa LLI po, may mga incentives like an all-expense paid trip, local or international, an opportunity to attend on a world-class trainings, so staycations on 5-star hotels, at syempre, may cash incentive din, di ba? And just like our presidential affiliate na rewardan ng brand new car worth 1.2 million nung na-promote siya noong 2018, paid in cash in WCA Travel. Nag-drive na lang po si Presidential. O, di ba? Ano pa ba yung hahanapin natin dito kay WCA? And with these 8 ways po na diniscuss ko, all we can say is, the best po talaga ang mga rewards plan ni WCA. Di po ba? Okay. Kaya naman po, sa ganda nga ng kitaan at bonuses, ay meron pong income disclaimer si WCA para maprotektahan kayo, kaming mga affiliates at ang kumpanya. Sabi po dito, sahin po natin, earnings, income, or success in this business is achieved based on efforts and commitment. That includes willingness to go through trainings as well as deep motivation to help people. Thus, we do not guarantee earnings by merely joining the business. This is a product and mission-driven business and not an investment or get-rich-quick scheme. So, ibig sabihin lang, hindi ka basta maglalabas lang ng puhunan na 19,600 at ihintayin mo na lang na kumita or bumalik yung perang inilabas mo. Again, ang laki ng kikitain mo ay nakadepende sa iyo, sa effort and commitment mo in doing the business at sa motivation mo to help other people. So kaya nga po sabi ko kanina, this business is more on sharing po. So we don't give false promises dito kay WCA. Kanina ay binanggit na that this business ay may kaakibat na smart and simple work. Okay, di po ba? So, kaya naman, dear guests, ang tangi ko pong masasabi sa inyo. So, dear guests, join us now and take your family to a great place. So, create memories, discover the world, build a fortune, and travel and earn with us. Di po ba? So this is my last slide na po. So, this picture is taken on one of our gala night. So, I think this is taken at EDSA Shangri-La Plaza. So, every year po, may ginagawa namin yung gala night and I hope, dear guests, makakasama namin kayo the soonest, lalo po ngayong 2024 sa lumalaking family ni WCA Travel. Dahil with WCA Travel, we will travel the world, live the dreams, and make a difference. So that ends my presentation with regards to our rewards plan po. And I hope I was able to clearly impart it with you. And I know, katulad ko din kayong na-excite, di po ba, nung marinig yung ating mga bonuses. Again, I am Cecil Piamonte, a proud WCA Travel Premier affiliate. Thank you for listening and good more earnings. See you on board po. Okay? Thank you po. Back to you po, Tita Josie.
Ayan, thank you so much po Ma'am Cecil no sa iyong napakalinaw na J. Mendoza. All the way from the Japan po. Take it away po, Sir J.
Yes, good morning everyone. Thank you, Ma'am Josie. Yan. Akala ko na-commute ako yan. Thank you. So, good morning po everyone and good evening. Good evening po sa ating mga guests ngayong gabi. Yes po, I'm J. Mendoza po. Yes, sabi nga po, I'm currently here in Japan doing business po part-time. So, kasama ko po ang aking misis, si Miss Claire po, na ginagawa po ang business for almost 6 years. Mag-aanim na taon na po kami sa July of 2018 po kami nag-start. So, kwento excuse me po. Kwento ko lang po sa inyo yung short journey ko, especially to our guests. Kasi nga po, kami po nag-start din dito, naging bago. July of 2018, na-introduce po sa amin tong business na to. And lahat po ng guests dito, napaka-bless nyo po. Kasi nakita nyo po yung presentation. Kanina may nakikita ko, nag-PPM. Very clear. Napapakagaling ng mga nag-present. Alam nyo po kami po, hindi po. Sinabi lang po sa amin, kung gusto daw po namin ng extra income, magbenta daw po kami ng airline ticket. Ganun kasimple po ang pag-i-introduce sa amin ng negosyo. Sabi nga po namin, sino ba naman ang ayaw ng extra income? Diba? Kahit po kami parehas na nandito sa Japan, kailangan pa rin namin ng extra income. So, bumili po kami nung BCP, yung 19,600. Doon po kami nagsimula. And then yung unang buwan po namin, nagbenta kami, hindi pa kami, yun pa lang po ang pinukusa namin, kumita po kami ng 27,000. 21,000 pesos po dito. Alam nyo po, doing this business po, part-time, bawi ang puhunan, meron ka pang kita. So sabi nga po namin maganda tong negosyo to, alam niyo po, kasi wala kang bit-bit na produkto. Walang expiration yung produkto. Nasa online lang. Basta may internet ka at gadget ka, magagawa mo yung business. Kaya po si Mrs. noon that time, pinanood po niya yung presentation via YouTube. That time po, hindi po pa ganito ka-enhance yung Zoom. So nung pinanood po niya, sabi niya sa akin, Daddy, panoorin mo yung presentation. Nung pinanood ko po yung presentation, tulad na napanood nyo ngayon, alam nyo po ba, sabi ko, simple lang pala yung negosyo. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Cecil kanina, kwentuhan business. Ikukwento mo lang, i-share mo lang. Alam nyo po, dito sa Japan, nagsimula kami, sinare namin yung business. At the same time po, nag-share din po kami through messenger dyan po mga kaibigan namin kakilala sa Pilipinas. And doing the business po, sa rewards. Sa rewards, di ba, kumita na po kami sa bookings. And then, nag-rewards kami. Nag-focus po kami dun sa pag-i-invite. At the same time, kumikita, alam niyo po, kumita po kami ng 30,000 pesos yung Premier Cycle Out Bonus after 4 months. Yung Executive Cycle Out Bonus after a year. November of 2019, nakuha namin yan. So, ano po ang naitulong sa amin? Grabe po, 450,000 pesos ay napakalaking tulong po sa aming mag-asawa na parehas po kami nandito po rin na dalawa naming anak. Dagdag talaga sa income namin yan. And then, sabi nga po namin, dire-diretsong ginawa ang business, naging gold up, naging executive affiliate, naging gold affiliate that year, and then, sorry po, inuubo tayo. And then, alam niyo po, 2020 pumasok ang pandemic, yan po, dumating po yung time na talagang apektado ang travel and tours. But sabi nga po, optional tong rewards pwede mong i-share at pwede kang kumita. Alam niyo po, 2020, naka-receive po kami ng another executive cycle out bonus. August, September, and October. Yung po maganda, hindi lang isa. Diba sabi ni Ma'am Cecil kanina, pwede mo kitain ng paulit-ulit. 3 sunod na buwan, na-receive po namin yung executive cycle out bonus na 450,000 pesos. Sa mga guests po namin ngayon, tulad din nyo po kami, nagtanong nung una, kikita kaya kami ng 30,000? Kikita kaya kami ng 450,000? Buti na lang po, nagdesisyon kami. Kung hindi kami nagdesisyon, hindi namin makukuha yung apat na 450,000 pesos. At ngayon po yung aming pong dalawang account ni Mrs. account ko po, ay parehas nasa top of the board tulad na in-explain ni Ma'am Cecil. Na sa top of the board na anytime of this year, pwede na naman kumita na another 450,000 pesos. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Cecil, optional kung gusto nyo lang po ng 450,000 pesos. Kasi po, bookings pa lang po, pwede na kayong kumita. Kung ayaw nyo yung invite, okay lang po. Kasi kami po, hindi namin sinayang yung panahon at oras na pwede palang pagsabayin. Okay? So ginawa po namin, excuse me po, yes, yes na po. Ang maganda po, marami kami nabili at may naipon at may naipundar. Alam nyo po, sabi nga tama ni Ma'am Cecil kanina, pambili ng pangarap itong negosyong to. Yes, sa una po, yung income nyo, sasabihin nyo po, tama lang, maliit, pero yung rewards, napakalaking income nito. In 1 year, kumita ka ng 450. Not bad. Okay. Anong naitulong sa amin? Marami. And isa sa magandang naitulong sa amin ni WCA Travel, share ko lang po, yung kami po ay nangarap mag-asawa, binata at dalaga makarating sa isa sa pinakamasayang lugar, yung Tokyo Disneyland o Disneyland. Alam nyo po, narating namin yan. Ang maganda po dito, kasama na po namin yung dalawa naming anak, yung airfare po namin, yung hotel namin at ticket ay galing po sa kinita namin kay WCA Travel. Hindi naggalaw yung sweldo namin dito. So anong maganda doon? Tinutupad ni WCA Travel yung mga bagay na gusto mo o yung pangarap mo. So yun po yung ino-offer namin sa inyo ngayon. Yung in-explain namin ngayon, sabi nga ni Ma'am Cecil kanina, yung 19,600 na saan na kapag kumita ka ng 450. Sa 30,000, sold na po yan. Ibig sabihin, bawi na. Paano pa pag natutupad unti-unti yung pangarap mo? So, sa mga guest po namin ngayon, para po sa inyo to. Excuse me po. Ayan, pasensya na po. So, sa mga guest po namin ngayon, kung mag-iisip po kayo ngayon, talaga pag-iisipan nyo. Pero, meron po kayong pag-iisipan ngayong gabi. Meron mang isa o dalawang kaluluwa po na hindi makakatulog ngayon. This is the right time na mag-decide kayo. Kasi lilipas yung panahon, makikita at makikita nyo si WCA Travel. Maaaring sabihin nyo sa kaibigan nyo, busy kayo ngayon, hindi nyo magagawa, walang puhunan. Kasi kung wala kayong puhunan ngayon, after 1 year, tanungin ko po kayo, may nagsabi po sa akin yan, after 1 year, wala pa rin puhunan. Kaya maganda po nito, decide now. Kasi yung opportunity knocks once. This presentation or this business po is gift from us. Yung tao nag-imbita sa inyo, sa ngayon, pasalamatan nyo na. Kasi kapag ginawa nyo po itong business na to, siya po yung mag-guide sa inyo, siya yung magtuturo sa inyo together ng team ng WCA Travel kung saan kayo belong. Okay? Tutulungan po namin kayo paano ma-fulfill yung dreams nyo. Yun po yung ino-offer namin sa inyo. Okay? So sa mga guest po namin ngayon, ang maganda po nito, mamaya pwede po kayo magtanong. May inihanda po kami sa inyong mga mag-a-assist sa inyo. And then, isipin nyo po kung kailan nyo kukunin ang business class package nyo. Okay? So once again po, I'm Jay Mendoza po on behalf of my wife, Claire U. Mendoza, a proud WCA Travel Diamond affiliate here in Kobe, Japan. Maraming salamat po and God bless po everyone. Back to you, Ma'am.
Ayan.